When we last saw our heroine, she was meandering down the street when suddenly the screen went black. Well, dear viewers, looks like she's about to be run over by a minivan. So isn't that fun? Here we are. This time, instead of sunrise, sunset. Catching the glorious goldens of the westering sun as it dips below an idyllic Tuscan horizon. This is quite an adorable little settlement. I'm not certain whether to call it a hamlet. It's so organized. If it has any sort of government at all about it. Look at those neat amphora up there. Huh. And no, those are not originals of any particular era. They are modern creations inspired by, shall we say. Always wanted to have a gatehouse. A lot of Korean homes have this as well. There's something so splendid about it, especially those doors. My goodness. Oh, and of course, the personnel door. So there's only one doorbell here, which tells me this is a single family home. That's usually the key for ascertaining the number of families that reside in any given place, how many doorbells there are and or mailboxes. There are certain mansions in Wiesbaden in Germany that were once robber baron homes, single family with, of course, their servants and dependents, but they now have, I don't know, 30 units in them in many cases. Talk about subdivision. Cars are ruining the view. I apologize, dear viewer. I shall definitely have to see what I can do about having these cars towed. They do most ruin the view. Well, I can get rid of them that way at any rate. Santa Croce in the distance. Two Italian matrons. Oh, I think that's a nun. Oh, I think this might be a convent on the other side of these walls. Pretty certain I saw a smile in her eyes. Should have said buonasera. It is definitely past giorno time. And there is Santa Maria Novella.